What's up, everybody? Brian Tong here. I'm here in Los Angeles because Apple has opened up this new Mac experience for some content creators to check out. Obviously, you see the entire iMac collection in front of me, so we're gonna walk around and show you some stuff, but I want you to come a little close here, right? Let's talk about the iMac, new M4 chip in it, but you gotta look at the colors. We got blue, purple. These colors are a little more muted. Red, orange, yellow. The yellow stands out to me. Green, this green, I've got some mint vibes here, like this and that. That's pretty sick. And then also the silver, but although, yes, they are a little muted, the lineup still looks great. I'm just loving all these colors. They are beautiful. So, new iMac. I think the coolest thing about it, though, is that the iMac itself has an option to have the nano coat texture on it, but you get some great performance. And then obviously the accessories, they're USB-C compatible now, right? They have USB-C ports. But let me show you what else is here on the floor, because they set up 3 interactive tables to showcase some of the products. So let's come over this way, and you gotta check out the new M4 MacBook Pro. This is the 14-inch model. Sure, it looks very similar to what you're used to, but the biggest thing right out of the gates, space black here, all right? Then you have the different configurations, the M4 Pro and the M4 Max. This table is lined up with them, so you can see the different 14-inch and 16 sizes. But as a content creator, I mean, my MacBook Pro is my life, and so that's gonna be pretty appealing. Let's just keep on coming down here. We've got the iMacs on display as well, but I think if there's one thing that we really wanna see, we gotta see the Mac Mini. Let's go this way. And yeah, this is it right here, the Mac Mini. Remember, 5-inch by 5-inch. There's an M4 model and then also the M4 Pro model. But I'm gonna do this. You know what? I always come prepared. I brought this. So, right, Apple TV, Mac Mini. That just gives you a size perspective. Let me put it in my hand, right? There you go. I can still basically put this on my hand, on my palm, and lift it up. But there's so much power packed into this Mac Mini, right? You have the M4 Pro, 2 USB ports in the front, obviously 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And then on the back, you have on the standard M4, Thunderbolt 4, but if you go up to the M4 Pro upgrade, Thunderbolt 5 on the back of this, powers up to what? 2 displays, including that, so 3 displays. Let me make that correction. 3 displays, 6K at 60 hertz. All right, so there's some other experiences here that we want to show you. So we're gonna come over here. This is kind of another showcase area to see how you can actually use these products. So over here, we got a chance to sit down with Bill, one of the leads of the Final Cut Pro team, and this over here, you gotta check this out. I don't know if you've ever seen a nano texture iMac, but that's a nano texture coating iMac. When you're in a lot of bright lights, like this just looks incredible in person. It looks so much better in person. Just seeing an iMac like that, I mean, this is gonna really enhance your workflow. So they also have another setup here, right? They've been telling me, Brian, you gotta get on Final Cut Pro, and I'm like, yeah, I need some time, but this might get us here. So we have right now a multi-cam setup here with iPhones. We have side shots. We have a center shot here. Even if you look up top, there's an overhead shot. So I guess I'm gonna come in here and check this out. Are we gonna try this thing out? Everybody, we're here at the Apple LA experience, eating an apple with Apple on Final Cut Pro for Apple. I don't know if they're trying to really get in my head here, but it's kind of working. Okay, so I've got these 2 utensils. We got a shot up here, we got a shot over there. I see you, I shot over there, I see you, okay. Is this like a chocolate apple? Look, you know how we do it. Good apple, bad apple, let's find out. Look at how creamy. Oh my gosh. This is so creamy. It's incredible. There's even an apple feeling in the center. Are you seeing this, camera one? It's so good. Oh, it's so good. You know what? That's a good apple. You got it bad. Woo! Woo, BTZ, BTZ. Okay, we just wanted to do another size comparison really quick because this is pretty cool, right? We showed you earlier the Mac Mini, the new one with the M4 and the M4 Pro, 5 by 5 inches, also a little taller in height. Here's the previous Mac Mini. Look how significantly different This is basically about 1/4, a quarter the size. You also have, right, the consolidation of ports. Here's all the ports that you have on the previous Mac Mini. Well, now we're just talking about 3 Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and on the front, 2 USB, and then a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And then to kind of give you a perspective of all of these, let's bring in my Apple TV friend one more time. Well, I'm just gonna put it like this. Yeah. This is the family. Like, this is what we have here. So again, the Mac Mini starts at $599, but we wanted to kind of show you, okay, this is what they really look size-wise. All right, so we showcased a lot of the different Macs out on the show floor, but here we want to show kind of more real-world application of how this works. So we have an example of a florist, right, and using a Mac for business over here in this corner. We're going to keep on walking this way because there's a lot of different ways that you can use these as tools. We have Joy here rocking, not only is she rocking these fancy fingernails, but she's showcasing a fashion design app. So that's another example of kind of using these in real world. So there you go, just kind of a quick fun look around the Apple experience here in LA, and then the new Macs coming out November 8th. Look out for them on the channel. We're coming for you. Woo!